Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ruling out the obvious physical issues and keyboard mode toggles. Press and release the FN key, inspect for debris, and use compressed air if needed. If keys still feel sticky, try an external USB keyboard to see whether function keys respond. Once done, look for an FN lock indicator, often FN plus ESC, because some laptops invert FN behavior. Make sure to observe the keyboard LEDs and quick on-screen indicators. This narrows whether the problem is hardware or system configuration. You now move into software fixes that commonly restore FN behavior. First, open Device Manager and update or uninstall, then reinstall the keyboard and HID drivers. This forces Windows to reload proper input handlers. Next, install or repair the laptop manufacturer's hotkey or FN utility, because those utilities map special keys to system functions. Also verify keyboard language and accessibility options. Sometimes filter keys or incorrect layout interferes. Once these steps are applied, reboot to let drivers and utilities register correctly. You finish by checking firmware and last resort options that fix persistent FN problems. Restart and enter BIOS or UEFI settings, look for an action keys, hotkey mode, or FN key behavior option, toggle it and save. Restoring BIOS defaults can also help. If the issue started after an update, use System Restore or uninstall the recent update, then reboot to test. If none of this works, you likely face hardware failure. You can replace the keyboard or contact service. One key troubleshooting tip: try a Linux Live USB to confirm hardware independent of your OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.